Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're getting our hands on something a little different, the RoyalAxe L98 mechanical keyboard. Now, I've been eyeing this keyboard for a while now, ever since it blew up on Reddit for its unique features and budget-friendly price tag. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, the packaging. It's pretty sleek and minimal, with the black cardboard box and silver lettering. Not a lot of bells and whistles here, but it gets the job done. Inside, we find the keyboard itself, protected by a dust jacket and foam padding. There is also a braided USB-C cable, a keycap puller, and a little user manual. The USB-A to USB-C keyboard cable has a sharkskin feel, and it's also coiled. Pretty neat. And as you can see, it has a B and C connector that you could split and separate by unscrewing, and you can see the contacts on each side. Now I'll talk about the keycaps. So the keycaps are Gateron G Pro yellow switches, which are known for their smooth linear feel. They're pre-lubed according to the manufacturer, so they're to be really quiet. Also included are an extra set of orange keys. You'll also find a keycap puller and a switch puller that's inside as well. Now about the design. The L98 has a pretty standard 98 key layout, but with a few unique touches. I love the exposed black screws on the top case, which give it a bit of an industrial vibe. And check out this 1.14 inch TFT LCD display on the top right corner. You'll also notice a nice little touch. In the front of the keyboard there's an RGB light bar. Again, about the LCD screen. You can customize it to show the time, battery level, connection mode, or even display GIFs and animations. It's a pretty cool feature that I don't see on many keyboards. Speaking of connection modes, the L98 is versatile. You can connect it wirelessly via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz or you can use the included USB-C cable for a wired connection. This gives it a lot of flexibility depending on your setup. Initially, there's a bit of rattle after hitting some of the keys, but I think that after this keyboard's been sitting in storage for a while, it has to get broken in a bit to get that lube going on all the switches. And of course, with every unboxing, some B-roll.